Talk about somebody who was not only very brave and very determined,
eta hitz egin dutenen pertsona haiek izan buruz esan dute ez dela ez da bakarrik pertsona bat oso ausarta eta egoskorra edo helburuekiko oso atxikimendu estua ez daukana.
but also somebody who was a natural leader, somebody who was always willing to take the first steps in whatever part of the struggle he had to take.
Baita ere berezko lider bazala eta beti zegoela lehenbiziko pausuak emateko edozein zala boteko.
The hunger strike of 1981 was more than just a hunger strike around the rights of political prisoners.
Mila bederatziehun bateko gose greba hori izan zen gose greba bat baino askoz gehiago preso republikanoen artean eta mugimenduan.
In the 19th century and the 20th century, there were many Republican hunger strikes to defend the right of prisoners to be treated as political prisoners.
Mendean, zein hogeigarren mendean ja egonak ziren gose grebak mugimenduaren barruan preso politikoen egoera salatzeko eta hobekuntzak lortzeko.
But the story that's covered in this book is about the defense not just of political prisoners, but of the political integrity of the Republican struggle itself.
Baina, gose greba honek badu berezitasun bat, ez da bakarrik presoen egoera hobetu nahi dela, baizik eta mugimendu oso baten buruzatik izan nola ekartzen du presoen egoera horrek eta mugimendu horren integridadea nolabait da defendatu nahi dutena presoen gose greba honek.
The government of Margaret Thatcher had decided that the battleground around which she was going to attack the legitimacy of our struggle was the treatment of prisoners and the status of prisoners in the jails.
Margaret Thatcherrek erabakia hartuta zeukan, bere gobernuak presoen egoera izango zela hain zuzen ere mugimendu republikanoari mini emateko erabiliko zuen tresna nagusia.
And so the men and women prisoners then realized that they had to respond, and they were now the front line in the struggle not only for their own rights but for the rights of the independence movement itself.
Beraz, kartzela zeuden gizon eta emakumeek ikusi zuten momentu horretan eta ulertu barneratu zuten frontearen lehenbiziko lerroan haiek zeudela eta erantzun behar ziotela ez bakarrik haien eskubidea defendatzeko, baizik eta mugimendu politiko osoarenak.
And it was a battle that for the prisoners started in the mid-1970s when they refused to cooperate and participate in the prison regimes.
Berez hasia zen mugimendu guztiak kartzelen barruan, 70. hamarkadako erdialdean konturatuta zeuden presoak mugimenduaren barruan garrazkarik eman behar zutela.
Many of the prisoners that you'll read about in this book spent up to 7 years in cells with no furniture, with no clothes, with no reading materials, with no recreation.
Liburuan agertzen diren presotariko asko, eman zituzten urte asko, 7 urte bataz beste, ziegatan altzairurik gabe, irakurtzeko inolako materialik gabe, edo aizialdirako batere gutxieneko tresnarik gabe.
In response, the prison regime then denied them access to toilet facilities and cleaning facilities.
Horren ondoren ukatzen diete baita ere eskubidea komunak erabiltzeko, garbitzeko, hainburua garbitzeko higienerako eskubidea.
And prisoners were left having to use the walls of their cells to smear their own excrement to be able to survive in those conditions.
Erabili behar esan zituzten zieketako gormak gorbitzen libratzen zutenean, etxez egiten zutenean, garbitzeko iraun bizten dira zuten zieketan.
And when the struggle in the prisons reached its height, it was Bobby and the other leaders of the prisoners who realized that the only option left for them to try and break the Thatcher regime was the hunger strike.
Egoera hain gogor horretan, Bobby Sands eta liburuan agertzen diren beste presoa konturatzen dira, geratzen zaien tresna bakarra Thatcherren gobernuak hartutako erabaki hauen aurrean, gose greba egitea.
And it's probably the reason why Irish people have so much respect for Bobby and the other hunger strikers is because that idea that you would be willing to give your life not only for the defense of your own rights and the defense of the rights of your fellow prisoners, but in defense of your national rights is something that people just have a profound understanding and appreciation for.
Behar bada horregatik izango da Irlandan jendeak hain begitan hartzen dituela preso politiko hauek, Bobby Sands bereziki eta berarekin ziren besteak, konturatu zirela haien bizitza emateko prest egon zirelako, ez bakarrik haien duintasuna defenditzeko, baizik eta oso modu kontzientean herri oso baten integridadea eta duintasuna defenditzeko.